Here we are with my first GoPro Hero 10 Black video. The battery's almost dead because I'm an idiot and I grabbed the wrong battery. But I figured we could at least do this walk and see how the GoPro video does while my kiddo and I go on a hike to the bridge at Revvl Pitcher, which is right here. As you can see, this is the suspension bridge for the Spokane River. And here we have the Spokane River. Alright guys, so that video was for my GoPro, the next video is for my phone. Let me know which one that you guys prefer and that's what I will do for my channel. If you like the GoPro, I'll go with that. If not, I'll just keep filming on my phone like I have been. Absolutely beautiful here in Revvl Pitcher. Standing on the suspension bridge. Love it down here.
Why do you have to move the opposite?
So that they can go past you, because this is a multi-use trail. A little spring comes across the trail. I wouldn't want to get caught in one of these rock slides.
Oh yeah.
It's really hard to find the beauty in Spokane, Washington. And then sometimes you just stumble across it.